I watch Australian TV now and then. So if you live in Australia or maybe England, they have a phrase, it's called spill the tea. Where I live in good old US of A, America and Utah, we just say, what's the goss? What's the gossip? So I think spill the tea is like, come on, spill the tea. Well, right now, I just nuked this tea and it has like honey and all this good stuff in it. And it's 7,000 degrees. And I just spilled the tea on my Wii and it hurts. Ow. Sometimes you need to not microwave something for 5 minutes, and that's this. What I meant to do is just put like 111 or 222, because I'm super lazy when I microwave. I don't want to put 430 for 4.5 minutes. I just go 555 444. Well, for some reason, I accidentally put this in for 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Guys, the sun is pretty hot. This is hotter. Okay? So if my voice sounds a little crazy, it's because I just spilt my tea. And that doesn't mean gossip. It means I spilt it on this thing down below. Okay. Well, let's talk a little bit about Live Good. Okay. If you're following my YouTube channel or looking below the video, there's always a title or a description. And it's going to say Live Good 2025. Because it's only about, today is what, the 5th? So in about 25, 26 days, boom, it's a new year, folks. Okay. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's Live Good's birthday, December 13th. So about a week away. Live Good turns 2. I turn a lot older than that. I'm born in the 60s before black and white TV. So guys, all right, I'm a little older than that. My underwear I'm wearing right now is about 20 years old. This beard I'm growing here is about almost 60. Okay. Live Good's a baby. You little baby, a little thing wearing Pampers, pooping its pants. All right, when a company's only 2 years old but does 15 million a month, 1.6 million members, 200 countries. Guys, this is insane success. It's never been done. Costco, nope. Netflix, Amazon, some of the biggest well-known companies here in America have not reached 1 million people in 1 year, let alone 2 million in 2 years. We're doing it here at Live Good. Things are happening. So if you're just barely watching my videos, this might be the first one, or maybe you have not even joined Live Good yet, or you're in Live Good good. Okay? Timing, in my opinion, is just about everything. How many times have you heard that? Okay? Live to ride, ride to live. All right? There's a lot of cool things. Put one step in front of the other. There's so many phrases you can look up and quotes, but timing really is important when it comes down to a business like this where you have an affiliate or a downline, a matrix, whatever you want to call it. But when people join you, we kind of lock hands like this, help each other out. And if you make a little bit of money, I make a little bit of money. Today was awesome. It's payday here this morning at Live Good because we get paid every Thursday. So I find out what I make. And today I made 2 pay checks because I get paid for last week's efforts. And then once a month, there's the match and bonus. And that's where all the people on my downline, they make a little something, something. Okay, and with a match and bonus that might be right around that 50%, which is kind of nice. That's extra moolah. So if you're in Live Good, you always love the first week's pay because you know you're going to get that monthly bonus. Okay, you make some pretty cool money every Thursday, but the match and bonus, that's something that's really awesome. Okay, and I hope you get aboard this darn train or climb aboard this ship. Okay. Don't wait any longer. Guys, Live Good is so affordable. Okay, it's $49.95, $40 to be an affiliate one time. That's it. You're an affiliate for life. It's like these tattoos I got 45 years ago. Look, they're all faded. Look, this used to be all bright red. And since I'm always in the sun screwing off, look, I think, what is that, a snake? Looks like a snake is still there. And look, I got an 80s girl. Look, she has Oakley sunglasses on with her boobies hanging out. And look, this used to be all just beautiful and colorful and stuff. And you know what? It's all faded away. So I got to go back to the tattoo shop and go, do you have like magic marker? Can you just fill it in? Maybe permanent instead of the bzz, using that little machine zapping ink in. But it's funny how time just hauls ass, guys. Okay. 2 years ago when Live Good said ready, set, go. And the exact day is December 13th of 2022. I joined around March, so I was about 4 or 5 months late to the party. All right, I wish I would have been there at midnight when they said let's be an affiliate company and kick ass. But you know what? You can kick ass now. All right. I'm doing pretty darn well. I'm number 27 on the leaderboard. I just signed up 4 new members in the last 6 days. That's exciting. There's different rank levels. Do you want to get that bronze level where you got a couple people or maybe 10 people, get to the silver, get to the gold with 100, 500, platinum, get to diamond with 2,500 people in your group, and you start making nice bonuses? It's important to get to that level because if you put effort into anything, you want to get maximum amount of money, right? And the way to do that is just keep being a cheerleader. Every day, post about live good, something. Hey, I'm living good, I'm feeling good. Okay? I'm feeling good as long as I don't have my MTV cup, and drink it above my Wang Chung, because right now this is still scalding hot, so I'm going to put that down. After noon, I always go to my drinks. I get my big cup with something nice in it. But boy, I just love coffee and tea in the morning. It makes my voice feel better. And it puts me in a good mood. All right, if you read about the effects or the benefits of coffee, they're out there. All right, I like coffee. Live Good has coffee. It's organic and it has these cool little mushrooms in it. And it makes me giggle. It takes about 20 minutes to kick in. So I like to have me some coffee. And I do tea as well. It's called Throat Coat. And it just, I kind of blew up my vocal cord. I'm finally getting my voice back. But if you'll watch my videos like 2, 3, 4 months ago, it sounds like I have laryngitis or a plugged nose. That's because I was yelling all through summer over loud music, producing car shows with Blaine and Jill with Rock and Hot Rod Productions. But right now, feeling good. So why not post about it? If you're on Facebook anyway, or Instagram, or TikTok, or maybe your kids are, or your wife, or your bestie, why not post with a purpose? And the purpose is spread the word about Live Good, or at least maybe the health benefits of the products. But there's a lot of people out there just looking for a nice, affordable way to legitimately make money at home, for real. Not make $20 and then go, okay, that was great, next. Okay? There's nothing wrong with helping people make money or talking about, guys, I just really believe in this opportunity. Will you look into this link? Will you click joincory.com, for example? That's what I bought. I went to GoDaddy, bought this for like $11. I get these business cards for like $25 at Vistaprint. So on a street level, I never have to promote Live Good because my card does. Yeah, here you go, guys. Go at home, lay on your back, put your phone in your face, and watch a 6-minute video. Can you do that? If not, hey, no harm, no foul. They use my card. They go like this, get like chicken McNuggets out of their teeth, and then they probably throw it away. Maybe they flip it over and maybe write their grocery to do, like a honey-do. Do you know what a honey-do list is? Honey, go do this. Mow the lawn, take out the garbage, and go, I don't know, build a patio with a hot tub on it. But I like to just invite people to links. I have multiple streams of income. That's right. I have quite a few incomes besides Live Good, and they all complement Live Good. They really do. Leads, attention, clicks, traffic, how to be compelling, how to be sexy, how to be mysterious. Guys, you need to do all of this. The number one way that I get, I guess, attention or eyeballs, or at least, let's just say, make moolah online, is to somehow be uplifting and entertaining. Because I think that's why people like maybe Saturday Night Live, or they watch like late night TV for the monologue. Okay, I'm from the Johnny Carson era, almost Jack Parr. And then you get into David Letterman, and now there's so many talk show hosts. There's just a million. But some people, they just love to watch comedy. Okay, are you on like Netflix or all those Hulu? There's always just specials. Chris Rock. What's his name? Dave Chappelle. These guys just crack me up. It's fun just to sit for an hour or so and let them just hammer away. And I love when they do crazy, offensive stuff where everyone gets uncomfortable, and I just laugh my ass off. I've loved Sam Kinison. He's been my favorite comedian forever. And he passed away around 1992 at age 39. But Andrew Dice Clay, I love just crazy comedy, wild comedy. I love entertainment so much. I love Suzukis. I love racing motorcycles. I like NASCAR. I used to live in Vegas, kind of by Kyle Busch's family, where he grew up in Las Vegas as a little kid. Um, Rock and roll and Legos and Hot Wheels. And there's so much stuff to do with the life that you were given. If you're religious, don't piss it away. You got a gift from God. If you're not religious and you're just like, wow, something happened, there was a big bang theory thing going on, and all of a sudden we're just born. We're supposed to do something. We're supposed to thrive and jive, all right, and disco dance and break dance, all right? We're supposed to at least have a pretty decent life, help one another, and unfortunately, it requires money, all right? Now, if you're a kid watching me, your parents are probably working and giving you a pretty darn good life, I hope, but mostly when you turn, let's say, 18 to 20, all right, you're out of the house, you're in college, but by the time you're 18 or so, you know you've got to make some money. Okay, and if you make more money, maybe you'll have a nicer house, a nicer car, a nicer life. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want, I don't know, a cool wardrobe or the best makeup or the best shoes. Or maybe you just want a humble, nice life that's considered just awesome. But you know what? If you can make 50 grand a year, you're happy. Maybe you can double that somehow and make 100,000. Okay? It's all about duplication, and that's what Live Good is about. It's about like finding one person, helping them come aboard, and maybe they can get a couple people, and you can help everybody in your group just duplicate. Do what I'm doing. All right, I'll do it again. I'll hold up my cards. Can you help somebody like I want to help you? Just get some business cards. Let's get you a domain name. Let's forward it to the Live Good capture page. Can you do that? I know you can. Takes minutes, especially if you go to GoDaddy, because a human will do all this for you instead of you trying to go in the back office and configure HTTPS and hit save and everything else. No, we're going to help you. I'm going to help you. Okay? Because if you join my group, I feel responsible to get you going in the right direction. And I'm pretty successful right now. I'm really good at getting signups, and I'm really good at making quite a substantial amount of money every 30 days. Okay? And I want you to think of systems, techniques, tools, because I'm going to suggest certain things besides Live Good to help you succeed in Live Good. Okay? And you're also going to make a lot more money than the average person in Live Good that just focuses on one at a time. Hey, you join, make 25 bucks next week. Okay? I want you to join, and I want you to get real comfortable making 1 to 5 to 900 bucks a day, not a week. Okay? I'm doing it as I speak, and I show you exactly what I do. Okay? I don't sell information. I recommend information or training. I recommend systems and software and techniques. And some things do cost. 49 bucks for a funnel. About 25 bucks for these business cards. Okay? 30 bucks for an email program. Okay? If you got a couple $100, number one, I want you to join Live Good. $49.95. Or if you want to join for the year, $139.95. That way, 1 year, you're done as an affiliate. 12 more months, we'll worry about renewing. Okay? And by then, I want you to make just a really great living. I can't promise anything when it comes down to financial, moolah, how much you're going to make. But if you want to copy exactly what I do, which I really want you to do, I think you're going to have a good chance of really being happy when it comes to payday every Thursday here in Live Good. Okay? So I'll end this video. I try to end this one on a 15-minute time frame, okay? So it looks like I got about another minute to chat with you guys. Timing is really important, okay? Live Good is not even 2 years old yet, okay? You want to join right now. It's the winter time as I produce this video, okay? This is the best time. Holidays plumps you up a little bit. In a couple weeks, it's going to be Happy New Year, and guess what everyone does? I'm going to promise to lose weight, exercise, diet, go to the gym, and then I need to make money because I just spent it all for the holidays. Well, Live Good is screaming. It's that aspirin. You have a headache? All right? Your headache might be financially... Is it a financial headache? Is it in your butt cheeks? Yeah, because that's where they normally are. Okay? But if you want to get in shape, check out Live Good. And if you want to earn some extra money that could be life-changing, where you can actually sit in an office like this with a bunch of Hot Wheels and Legos and my brand new Farrah Fawcett Barbie that cost me as much as the real Farrah Fawcett. You could do this. Okay? All right. If you don't mind, I just want to promote my link one more time. joincory.com. Just click it, watch that 6-minute video, put in your name and email address. You're going to get some nice messages about Live Good, and you can opt out of those if you'd like. And if you want to join Live Good, your name and email address in that little capture box, go to your email, open up the Live Good email, and you can join from there. It's real simple stuff. Then I'm going to send you a nice email about everything I do. Okay? Also, let me leave you with this. Go to CoryDraper.com as well. Okay? CoryDraper.com. I'll put the link below the video too, because everything that I do to make Live Good rock and roll is right on CoryDraper.com. I made it real easy for you guys, okay? Okay, that's it. I'm done in 15 minutes and 49 seconds. All right, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel and watching my videos. And get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, or you can just go to my Facebook page and inbox me, or just comment below this video and I'll see it, okay? All right, peace and love, guys. Have a good one.